the illegal mining negatively impacts Colombia's ecosystems. In 2018, more than 50,000 hectares were affected. To facilitate its monitoring by the authority,
we developed a supervised model for the recognition of zones associated with illegal alluvial gold mining activities using machine learning and remote sensing techniques.
The model was developed in 3 phases. Data collection, that consists of series of georeference points corresponding to 2 classes. Satellite images processing, to extract representative spectral characteristics.
Performance evaluation, such as SMB, KNN, and RF optimized by genetic algorithms. The best performance observed was the random forest with 0.68 ROC and was validated by cross-validation.